The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Kalinga in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. The province of Kalinga has the city of Tabuk as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. It is composed of one city, 7 municipalities, and 153 barangays. It was founded on May 8, 1995, and the total land area is 3,231.25 kilometers squared or 1,247.59 square miles. The province of Kalinga is bordered clockwise from the north by Apayao, Cagayan, Isabela, Mountain Province, and Abra. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Kalinga in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. We have the municipality of Balbalan with 14 barangays, municipality of Lubwagan with 9 barangays, municipality of Pasil with 14 barangays, municipality of Pinokpok with 23 barangays, municipality of Rizal with 14 barangays, the capital city or the provincial center or the provincial capital, Tabuk City with 43 barangays, the municipality of Tanudan with 16 barangays, and the municipality of Tinglayan with 20 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Kalinga in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.